Welcome to our channel. Today we'll explore how to install IPTV on Roku seamlessly. First, let's talk about the best IPTV provider, 2TV Store. Contact Nancy for support. The link's in the description. IPTV offers a whole new world of entertainment. Installing it on Roku can transform your streaming experience. We'll guide you through the simple steps to enhance your Roku's TV capabilities without any tech stress. To begin, plug in and set up your Roku device. Make sure it's connected to the internet. The process is easy and fun. Your Roku is about to become so much more engaging. Next, navigate to the Roku channel store. You'll need to search for IPTV applications that are compatible. We'll share some recommended apps to make this part a breeze. After selecting an IPTV app, download and install it. Open the app. Enter the required details from your IPTV provider. Nancy from 2TV Store is there to help if you encounter issues. Congratulations! Your IPTV setup on Roku is complete. Enjoy an endless variety of shows and movies at your fingertips. For more dynamic content, stay tuned to our channel.